Sorry. What up, yo? It's your girl, Jade. And I'm here with a special announcement. On October 31st, the spookiest day of the year, when everyone wants to dress up as everything that they aren't, or maybe some people dress up as some things that they are. That ain't none of my business. But I'm doing a one night retreat, an overnight retreat, so you can reconnect to what truly matters, who you really are. So, all the real souls in the building, come out to the Humble Reconnect, October 31st. Um, what else can I say about this retreat? It'll just be one night, it'll be overnight. Of course, all food will be included. We will be we will be cooking the meals together. You will learn about the different holistic ingredients that go into the meals and how they will help you. We will be taking spiritual baths with real rainwater. For those who don't know the benefits of rainwater, look that up right now. Look it up. So, the spiritual baths will, of course, use crystals, learn about the different healing properties of the crystals. It's so much in store. We're going to be playing some instruments, so we're going to be releasing with some music. Like, this is going to be amazing. So, come out October 31st, the overnight retreat, the Humble Reconnect. Come as you are. I accept you all. Tickets will be available for purchase on my website, www.yourfavoриtemuse.com. All right, I'm going to see y'all later.